Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to take you guys through K-Beauty. So K-Beauty is a brand launched by Katrina Kaif with Nykaa. So I was very grateful that I got to receive the PR package, and I also went to the launch when it happened and met Katrina herself, and we got to chat one-on-one on her ideology behind the entire makeup line. The makeup line consists of several things. We have 24 shades of matte crayons called Matteinee. We also have 12 shades of matte lip pencils, and then there are 3 kajals, and we also have lip toppers and brow defining pencils. This is what the entire range consists of, and it has been like 2 years in the making, apparently. That's what she mentioned, and she wanted this to be something that suited every skin tone, and she also wanted to create a makeup line that actually cares for the skin and that actually was gentle and that would suit like sensitive skin. I remember asking her why did she decide to start like a makeup line of her own, and her reason was that because throughout the years, because of what she does, she has been doing or getting her makeup done for the longest time for different variety, for different things that she did. For example, it would be like different makeup for camera, different makeup for photo shoot, different makeup for her day-to-day life, and after a point she became really well versed with the entire process of makeup application, and she kind of knew what she needed to do when things suddenly fell into the space where she would do her own makeup. She's done her own makeup for a lot of things that she had mentioned, so it felt like the right time for her to kind of launch her own product line, which I think is amazing. And today I just wanted to sit down and take you guys through the entire range, talk about the range, talk about what I think of them, and if you guys would want to keep watching, then let's get started. So let's start with the lip crayon. These are the Matteinee lip crayon, and before that, let's talk about the packaging a little bit. The packaging is very simple and sleek. It has that K monogram all over it, and the lipstick comes in a crayon form that has the twist and open sort of thing. So as in when you run out of product, you just twist and get some more, and you can twist it back in case you want less product. So that's good. You don't need a sharpener. This shade is called Playback, and I wanted to start with this shade because I think this is the one that I like the most, and it is a beautiful nude. This is what the color looks like. It is the lip crayon sits in super matte. You can see it on my lips right now as well. It sits super matte, and it is very, very comfortable on the lips. It is very lightweight. I'm not really feeling like I have anything on my lips right now. And because it has that sharp end, it also helps in kind of shaping your lips. So it's just easier that way. And this color in particular was something that I wanted to start with. So it is a simple, a nude that would work well with a lot of skin tones, and the formula in itself is matte. It is long lasting. You need to be careful if you're eating something oily, it might slip and you have to reapply. But other than that, if you don't touch it around with food, like oily food too much, it won't move. They have tested this to be 12 hours long lasting, but the pigmentation is pretty good. You literally swatch what you see on the packaging, so that way that's good. Very soft, buttery. It consists, it's made with marula oil and chamomile, so it suits like sensitive skin and is very gentle on your skin. So that's what I thought of the formula. Let's talk about some more of my favorite shades from the range. We also have Countdown, which is a pink tone nude. This is what the color looks like, and I feel like this would again suit a lot of different skin tones and something that you could wear for like an everyday basis. Next, I have Papp-ed. I love the shade because I have a weakness for soft brown nude shades like this. Again, something that you could wear every day and would look nice on everybody. My other favorite shade is this deep berry tone red. It's called Spotlight. And it's got this nice little pink undertone to it that just brightens your face. Lastly, I am also a big fan of the deepest shade in the range. It's called Style Icon, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the pigmentation and the application from the crayon. It's very soft, very easy to apply, and once you apply it, it just sits matte on your lips. Okay, next let's move on to the kajals, which I think is my favorite from the entire range. I think they have done a fantastic job with the kajals. This is called Spade, and this I love because it has that twist and turn sort of packaging again, which I think is so much more convenient and hygienic when it comes to kajal. It is super duper black and you get this really nice opaque finish. It is smudge proof too, so once you have applied this, it does not really budge at all. I also have a little bit of water just to check if this is waterproof. It's not waterproof. Next, we have Onyx. This comes in a pencil form. Again, super smooth, very dark. You get this nice dark color in just one swipe. I will wait for 30 seconds before I touch it because everything needs like at least like 15 to 30 seconds to set. Once that is done, I am going to see if this is smudge proof. I think this should be good enough. Okay, not bad. Just got a tiny bit of smudge, but that's not bad at all. That's quite nice. It's not that bad. Let's try if this is waterproof. Okay, so this isn't waterproof. Next, we have the K-Beauty High Drama Kajal in Raven Hue, and I remember using this for the look that I did when it had first launched, and I think it was super smooth, and that one was very long lasting, and it comes with a smudger too, so you can use that to smudge on your eyes. Okay, so now let's talk about their lip toppers. So K-Beauty has 6 shades when it comes to their lip toppers, and they're basically this little shiny liquid concoction that I think you can also use as an eyeshadow. They are very shimmery and the shades are pretty diverse. I will start from the first shade. This is called Starlet, and it is this beautiful deep bronze color. Then we have Showstopper, which is this light champagne color. Next, which is my favorite, we have CoverGirl. This is a beautiful rose gold. Then we have Stunner, which is this bright fuchsia pink. Next we have Leading Lady, which is again a deep pink. And lastly we have Unbeaten, which is this maroonish magenta. It has hints of red in it too. So with these lip toppers, what you can basically do is turn any of the lipsticks that you already have into a metallic one, and I feel like you could even use this as an eyeshadow. So I'm just going to try that because they just set so quickly and you can get that nice glossy finish. Next we have the lip pencils. I actually went on and scribbled a little bit, but I'm going to show you again how soft this is. This is supremely soft, very, very buttery, very pigmented, and you can like do a lot with it. It is a pencil, so you have to sharpen it so that you get that sharp edge, but you could also wear this as a lipstick on its own. It is smudge proof, and yeah, it's very long lasting, it's very pigmented, so you could just wear this as your lipstick, or you could use this to define your lipsticks, or you could use this to define your lips before you wear any color. I am gonna go ahead and swatch all of the colors in my hand and show you next. Okay, so lastly we have brow defining pencils. The only thing I can think of with these is that I wish it came with a spoolie too, then it would have been like complete. I don't know, I find that eyebrow pencils without a spoolie is incomplete. But let's talk about the shades. We have Chestnut, and I'm just going to swatch them on my hands. This is the color for Chestnut. It is a very soft medium brown. Then we have Walnut. That is a deeper cool toned brown. And lastly we have Hazelnut, which is a deeper version of the previous one. It is a dark brown. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I am going to list everything down below and in the order that I have shown the swatches as well, so that it's easy for you guys. And in case you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again. Bye.